Hello and welcome to Orissa Post Live. You're watching the news roundup of the day with Lopita. Let's have a look at the top stories. An IIT alumnus and Odia scholar Piyush Agrawal has developed a next-gen face mask, claiming it to be improved in functionality and protection against COVID-19 infection as well as air pollutants, informed the developer Thursday. Remembering the former president's long association with Odisha, the Chief Minister Navin Patnaik paid tribute Thursday to APJ Abdul Kalam on his 89th birth anniversary. Taking to Twitter, Patnaik wrote, "Humble tributes to former President APJ Abdul Kalam on his birth anniversary. Dr. Kalam had a very long association with Odisha, and naming of Kalam Island after him is our tribute to him. His humility and his contribution in the field of science will continue to inspire." The campaign of the Bipole to Tirtol and Baleswar Sadar Assembly constituencies in Odisha's Jagatsinghpur and Baleswar district respectively has gained momentum, with the three major political parties leaving no stone unturned to woo the voters. The Congress, the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP and the Biju Janata Dal BJD are touring these areas to garner support for their respective candidates. The second accused in connection with the Cuttack minor girl who was sexually abused for 22 days case has been arrested by Chauliaganj police Wednesday late night. Earlier, police arrested the first of the two accused, identified as Santosh Behra, Wednesday morning. During interrogation, Behra revealed the identity of the second accused and helped the police nab him. The second accused has been identified as Rakesh Raut. Owing to the COVID-19 outbreak in Odisha and the increase in the number of the cases on a daily basis, Chief Minister Navin Patnaik has decided not to celebrate his birthday this year. Incidentally, the Chief Minister's birthday is on October 16, which is Friday. I will always remain indebted for the magnanimity of love and good wishes of the people of Odisha. All are passing through a tough time in the last 8 months due to COVID-19 outbreak. So this year there will be no celebrations on my birthday, Navin said in a message to the people of Odisha. Odisha's 5-time Chief Minister Navin Patnaik will turn 75 on Friday. CBI investigations into the Hathras rape and murder case hit their first roadblock when the investigators found that the CCTV footages of September 14, the day the victim was brought into the hospital, has been lost. Chief Medical Superintendent of the Hathras District Hospital, Indra Veer Singh, said that the hospital would have saved the footage if the police had asked them to. Amid the ongoing TRP scandal, Broadcast Audience Research Council BARC board is all set to review its current standards of measuring and pause the rating of news channels with immediate effect. The exercise would cover all Hindi, regional, English news and business news channels as well. That's all for today. You are watching Orissa Post Live. To stay updated, stay with us.